Welcome all. Myself Dempsey Johnson. Structural design of foundation ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് efficiency of pile group. First of all, what is a pile? Pile is a relatively long and a slender structural member. It is made up of wood, cement, RC or steel which is driven or otherwise introduced into soil for the purpose of vertical or lateral support. It is used to transmit foundation loads through soil strata of low bearing capacity to deeper soil of rock of high bearing capacity. Group action of pile. A pile is not used singularly beneath a column or wall because it is extremely difficult to drive the pile absolutely vertical and place a foundation exactly over its center line. In actual practice, structural loads are supported by several piles acting as a group. നമ്മൾ സിംഗിൾ ആയിട്ടല്ല പൈൽ കൊടുക്കാറുള്ളത്, ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിട്ടാണ്. Pile group is a set of piles that have a pile cap. That means that they act together to carry the load. The use of pile group instead of a single pile, though not warranted from structural consideration, will ensure in minimizing the eccentricity of loads caused by the lateral displacement of piles during the driving operation. നമ്മൾ കോളത്തിന് ഒരു മിനിമം 3 piles ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കുലർ പാറ്റേണിലായിരിക്കും കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. വോൾസിൽ സ്റ്റാജേർഡ് അറേഞ്ച്മെന്റിൽ ബോത്ത് സൈഡിലും നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കും. This is the figure for 3 pile group, 4 pile group and for column. Efficiency of pile group. It may often be required to use more than one pile below a column depending on the column load and the load capacity of a single pile. Usually, driven piles should be provided in groups and a single pile should not be used. This is because the pile may move laterally during the driving operation, resulting in the eccentricity of the load, causing additional bending stress in the pile, decreasing both the structural capacity and the soil resistance capacity. The efficiency of a pile group is defined as the ratio of the actual capacity of the group to the summation of the capacity of the individual piles in the group when tested as single piles. ഇതാണ് ഇക്വേഷൻ എഫിഷ്യൻസി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ eta g equal to qgu divided by n into qu into 100. qu എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ultimate load capacity of the individual pile, qgu എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ultimate load capacity of the pile group, then n is the number of piles. നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ പ്രോബ്ലം ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് കൺവേഴ്സ് ലബാര ഫോർമുല എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അതാണിത്. eta g equal to 1 minus theta by 90 into n minus 1 into m plus m minus 1 into n divided by m into n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of piles in a row. Theta equal to tan inverse d by s, where d is the diameter of the pile and s spacing of pile. Generally, center to center spacing between piles in a group is kept between 2.5d and 3.5d, where d is the diameter of pile. Efficiency of pile group depends on spacing of pile, total number of piles in a row and number of rows in a group, characteristics of pile, that is material, diameter and length. The minimum spacing according to IS code are for end bearing pile it is 2.5d and for pile resting on solid rock 2d, friction pile 3d, for loose sand 2d. d is the diameter of pile. Thank you.